So we're a company called Simply Health, and we've been going since the 1870s. And basically we're an organisation that was built up by our own customers and communities across the country. And in essence, we look to complement areas where either the NHS or the social care aren't providing. So right from dental care to optical care, up into the latest developments in elder care that we're seeing at the moment. Our main latest project is, again, we look at those areas that fall outside the NHS and social care areas, and we see the biggest trend and the biggest need from a consumer perspective is around caring, and particularly caring for the elderly. And because that's the biggest issue for us, it's knocking on to be a biggest issue for employers. And in terms of the impact on their workforce and the impact specifically on wellbeing in the workforce. So that's our biggest focus currently at the moment. So we're just in the development of two things at the moment that are really hot off the press. The first thing is a free to access peer-to-peer forum. So this is where people can go onto a forum, almost like the equivalent of a Mumsnet for elder care, if you like, where you can put in questions, you can share experience, you can learn from other people who've encountered the same issues as you. And the second thing is we're launching a new proposition called Care for Life, and this is brand new actually. We're only just in the process of launching it to our own team at the moment. And this is a sort of tailored personal advice and guidance proposition that basically holds your hand through the caring journey, irrespective of where you are on that spectrum. And we're literally, I said, we're just at the point and do some piloting in the market with that at the moment. Because the health and social care area is so complex and it's increasing in complexity day by day, we can't be experts in everything. So we've worked with a whole range of partners. On the peer-to-peer forum, we've worked specifically with an organisation called Health Unlocked, and they're experts in terms of that social media type environment, forums. They work very closely with NHS Choices, so we've partnered with them for that. And on the Care for Life proposition, the elder care proposition, we've worked with about 12 or 14 different providers who are experts in their relevant fields. So it could be legal, it could be financial, it could be care, it could be care home quality, all those different areas. We spent quite a lot of time trying to find the right partners in those areas. Well, I'm hoping that we can get some real momentum in the marketplace. It's quite a new area, is elder care. You know, we'd love to get it in the place where elder care is seen in the same light as childcare, but we've got a long way to go. So I think the first stage is to really increase the awareness. The first major step for organisations, I believe, is for them to not hide the issue of elder care, to raise the awareness, to start asking the questions, to at least bring it out into the open. It's the first important step. So we're looking to get some awareness out there in the next couple of months, really.